Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2010 Volkswagen Tiguan and I will show you how to remove and replace the blower motor resistor. This video will apply to Tiguans made from 2007 all the way up to 2015. So the most common symptom of a faulty blower motor resistor is that your blower motor usually works only on one speed setting. So in my case there is nothing happening when I turn the climate controls to speed number 1, speed number 2, speed number 3, but when I turn it to speed number 4 the blower motor starts to work. So like I said, if your blower motor works only on one speed setting, it can be either 1, 2, 3 or 4, most likely you are dealing with a faulty blower motor resistor. Now there is a couple of different ways you can still test it. You can pretty much test the wires that go towards the resistor, and then if the wires are good, that way you know for sure that you have a faulty blower motor resistor. But from my experience, in like 99.9% of cases, just replace the blower motor resistor and that will fix your problem. The blower motor resistor on Volkswagen Tiguan is located on the passenger side just under the glove box. Now to access it, first you will have to remove this cover just under the glove box. To remove the cover, you will just have to unscrew two black screws. One will be right here, another one just here on the other side. So like I said, just unscrew it counterclockwise and remove them. This is one, and now the other one. Okay, so like I said, just two plastic screws, and now you can remove this and get it off the way. Okay, so I will try to squeeze my phone in there. Okay. Now the blower motor resistor is right here, so you don't actually need any kind of tools to remove it. First you want to disconnect these wires. To do that you will have two black clips to push and pull it out. One will be here on this side and one just here on the other side. So what you want to do, you want to press them at the same time and just pull this connector out. Okay, just wiggle it a bit and remove it. And once you have done that, to remove the blower motor resistor, you will have this white tab which you also want to push and pull the resistor out. Okay. Okay, now I'll show you once I have it out. So this is the idea, you just have to push onto this white clip just to get like a small black tab off this hole. Then you can just slide it out. It's quite easy to remove, and you actually don't need any tools to remove and replace this blower motor resistor, which is actually nice. Okay, and here is my new blower motor resistor. Here is the part number in case you need it. It's aftermarket one because it's only like 22 bucks. I'm not buying a OEM one, that's for sure. And once you have it, you just do everything in reverse. Just slide it in, plug it in and test it if it works. If everything works, put back the cover and you're done. I will do a quick test now before I put this cover back on. So I will turn the blower to speed number 1. It works. Number 2. It's good. Good. Okay, it's all good to go. So this is how you can test it before you put everything back together. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.